Clearing your search history on YouTube Music is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to remove your previous searches. Step 1. Open YouTube Music. Launch the YouTube Music app on your device or visit the YouTube Music website in your browser. Step 2. Go to your library. Navigate to the Library tab located at the bottom of the app or on the left sidebar of the website. This is where you can manage your music and settings. Step 3. Access settings. In the Library section, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 4. Find history and privacy. Within the settings menu, locate the history and privacy option. This section allows you to manage your search and playback history. Step 5. Clear search history. In the history and privacy section, you will see an option to clear search history. Click on it and confirm your choice to remove all previous searches from your account. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on YouTube Music. Regularly managing your history can help enhance your music discovery experience.